Welcome to HDRi Maker installation. This installation and update guide is for those who purchased the product on Gumroad or elsewhere. If you purchased on Superhive, go to the description. You will find the link to our documentation. Go to your purchase page on the website where you made the purchase. In this example, we are on Gumroad and download the HDRi Maker file. And you will recognize the Addon file because it contains the version number right after the name and will be in zip format. Make sure your browser does not uncompress the zip file during download. The add-on must remain in zip format to be installed correctly. Please note, since the release of Blender 4.2, the extension system has been introduced. So if you were already using HDRi Maker in the past, make sure it is already installed as an extension. To check if HDRi Maker is installed as an add-on or as an extension, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Search for HDRi Maker. If you see the word Legacy, as in this case, deactivate the add-on and uninstall it by pressing the Uninstall button. If you do not have Auto-Save Preferences enabled, press the Save Preferences button. Now open the folder where you downloaded the add-on and drag it directly into Blender. If you have not configured a custom repository, use the one named User Default and press OK. Now go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, search for HDRi Maker. You will find the add-on already installed and activated. As you can see, the add-on is installed as type extension. This is the correct way. If you do not have auto-save enabled, make sure to save the preferences. Now that the add-on is installed, the next step is to install the necessary libraries to start working with HDRi Maker. Go back to your orders page and start downloading the Exapack files. I recommend starting by downloading the main vol001 Exapack file and the 1K files, followed by the 2K files, and so on, up to 4K, 8K, 16K. Now let's go into Blender and open the panel by pressing the N key, making sure you are on the HDRi Maker tab. Press the Go to Install button. Now press the Default Library button. This path is where the libraries will actually be installed. Make sure to choose a location on your computer with enough space to contain all the libraries. Now press the Choose Exapacks button and look for the path where you downloaded the Exapacks. Select your Exapacks to install. For convenience, I will show you how to install the entire library all at once using the full version of the HDRi Maker library as an example. Press the button. Now, based on the Exapacks you selected, you will see a list of Exapacks populate. Press Install. Now the process will install all the Exapacks to the destination, creating the HDRi Maker library. By default, each installed Exapack file will have its original Exapack file removed to optimize disk space. The speed of this installation process depends heavily on the processor speed and especially on the type of hard drive. Once the process is complete, press Installation Finished and restart Blender. Now HDRi Maker is ready for use. You will see all the libraries you installed in the HDRi Maker asset browser. Thank you for your attention and enjoy HDRi Maker.